Hey guys, this is Robert, and here we have a mini folding neck fan. And on the side it says fully featured, gentle breeze, large capacity, electricity, power bank, phone holder. Here's some specs. And the color we have is black and white. Here, USB-C cable, lanyard to hold it on your neck, and then we have fan. This one pops out, so you can go higher. Put your phone here. Your phone here, you can watch video and then have the fan blow at you. Button here. 4 different modes. It has a USB-C, USB-A. There is no indicator. Here, there, no. So hold it down. Doesn't tell you how much battery's left, unfortunately. There you go. That is the fan. If you're interested in this fan, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.